Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on real quick. We have a little mini supercell out there, so give me a minute to let some people get in here. This is not in Louisiana, but it's very close, so I at least wanted to hop on, kind of show you what's going on because this is certainly close enough to where it's going to be impacting parts of Toledo Bend and all that. So just getting things set up. Okay, we are live. Okay, so there it is, supercell thunderstorm, very small but potent. This is Vernon Parish. That's the Sabine River right there, southern end of Toledo Bend. That's where this is headed, and it's heading pretty much due north. Now, there's not a ton of low-level wind shear, but it looks like this has tapped into what we have available, and there's just enough going on there to where we have this severe thunderstorm warning that has now become a tornado warning. I'm putting it in motion, or I'm actually not going to. You can see there's some rotation. It's going to be moving right into Burkeville. Let me just make sure we don't have any confirmation or anything. I don't think I see anything there that would indicate that, but there's your rotation just southwest of Burkeville. This is headed toward the north. This is going to stay west of Burr Ferry. I think this is going to run right up over Toledo Bend. Hey, Miss Linda, how you doing? This is out of the area, but I wanted to at least jump on because it's easy enough to do that and let you know what's up here. But let's see on the lightning. Actually, pretty impressive because, again, like I was saying, we don't have a ton of instability. I can't believe I'm seeing that much lightning out of this storm. 33 strikes, not over the top, but that is more than I thought we would see out of these storms today. So there's that cell right over Burkeville. I'm watching to see. I know we have some that report in the chat about this on the NWS chat, so let me see. Let's see. Last check, it was halfway between Newton and Burkeville. Peak wind at Newton High School was 27 miles per hour. So that is a little tiny supercell. This thing is small in stature here. 8 miles across. That is not a big supercell, but in this case, there is enough going on there. Hey, John Lee, how you doing? We have this thing going to come up right toward Toledo Bend here, probably going to get over the lake here. I have the camera pointed toward it, but the camera's up here, so that's looking at distance on that. We're probably something like 35 miles. We're not going to be seeing it yet. We're not seeing it yet. But tornado warning in effect for northern Newton County, Texas. It's a small warning, but it is something I wanted to at least hop on and mention. Whoops, I left the distance tracker on. I mean, this is from, let's see, we're looking at 2,600 feet. Let's go to Lake Charles. That's 2,600 feet up in the storm. Then I go further up, 4,300 feet from the Lake Charles radar. Clear mesocyclone there. We have the rotation in the low levels. And when we get up much deeper than that, we're at 10,000-ish feet, 8,200 feet here. Not seeing as strong of a signal, but that's from Shreveport. So back to the close-in radar where we are looking 2,600 feet up into this storm, and we have rotation moving into Burkeville. If you're in that area, you're going to want to seek shelter as this storm is pretty much ticketed for your area in the next few minutes. Not a confirmed tornado as of yet, so that's some good news for you. But yeah, occasionally I'll jump on with this stuff if it's close and gonna possibly impact parts of our area. Though I think this one's probably gonna stay just west. That tornado warning is until 12:15, so another 16 minutes on this. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Burkeville, moving north at 75 miles per hour. So this one is moving very quickly. It'll be mainly over rural areas of northern Newton County, Texas, including Weirgate and Burkeville, and it looks like Shanklerville also. So if you're up around Mayflower, not in the tornado warning, I don't think this is going to be a long, sustained type thing, but certainly something to watch. And let's see how quickly that thing's moving. Let's go over the last 30 minutes. It says 75 miles per hour. That's really fast. And yeah, I mean, it's jumping pretty good there. Let's look at the... Let me see. Put this... that. I think we're seeing some hail in that cell is what I'm picking up on more than anything. They're typing an update. So let me go ahead and take a look at something here. Oops. Yeah, it's a stout storm for sure. Did not expect to see this, so hopefully this is not the theme of the day. But yeah, this thing has sustained itself pretty well. It's going to head right up over the lake. And what I'm hoping is the cooler water of the lake since that lake is so big, would help to dissipate this cell as it continues on to the north. Let me see what they're saying right now at the National Weather Service, see if they have any updates on this. Radar update, center of the rotation is now approaching Burkeville from the southwest. And yeah, that's exactly what we're looking at there. So this is going to continue up toward the north. This will stay west of Leesville, Anacoco, Hornbeck. I have not seen much of a shift to the right, maybe a little bit of a tilt that way, but if you're in western Sabine Parish, this thing is going to come up very close to you. So if you're along Toledo Bend, anywhere out there, this cell is something to watch, and then we'll be watching all these other cells